How to go live on the Facebook Lite app. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily go live from the Facebook Lite app. First thing you're going to need to do is find the Facebook Lite application. So go ahead and open it up. And once you open this, make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you're logged in, you can just basically go ahead and tap on the option called What's on Your Mind. As you can see here, there are different options. The first one is photos, videos, then tag people, add location, feeling or activity, get messages, create event, and then you have go live. Just tap on the go live button. That's going to set up your live video feed. Now you're going to have to allow some access, so go ahead and tap on allow camera access. It seems like they're having some issues regarding live on Facebook Lite. But if it's working for you, then that's great. You can just go ahead and turn on your camera, and then you'll see a start live button down here, right where it says try again. And you should be able to start your live. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.